Hey folks, welcome to my channel. So today I have this Shado Beni plant that I'm about to separate. Apparently what happened is there's two plants here in one pot, and I am about to separate what's in the pot and make two plants, right? Separate them. So I thought I'll do a recording today. But before I do that, as you can see here, you see the seeds that they're looking brown right now. This is what you'll need to plant. These are the seeds you'll use to plant to make another plant, as you would say, right? Yeah. So a lot of people are asking me where I could get seeds from. I know you can get it on Amazon, but when I check in the comments on Amazon, a lot of people are reporting that they have been getting good feedback, good results for these seeds and stuff. So I don't really want to recommend that too much, but the option is there. You can get them on Amazon. It's a hit and miss kind of thing, so you could try that if you want, right? So before I show you what I do here, what I'm going to do to separate the plants and this plant into two, I want to share my story. Now, where I live, we have some green banana trees, and I have some iguanas that hang out there, and they hang out there. And I noticed that my plant has been, something has been biting it. I thought it was a bug, and lo and behold, I suspected was my iguana friends. So I relocated the plant, and to a close by area, but there was no difference in the health of the plant. And then I said to my husband, I said, for sure these iguanas are biting my plants. So I moved them to another area in another part of the house, and the plant is doing very, very well. As you can see here, it's looking very, very good. Plus we have been getting some rain, which is a plus for my plant, so I'm super happy. So let me show you my guy. You see here, they're vegetarians. He's eating the leaf from one of the vines that is wrapped around the green banana tree, and he saw me. he got a little spooked, so he didn't want me to interrupt him, so he didn't bother to continue his meal, and he decided to just walk away. Doesn't people are saying that I should catch it and eat it, cook it and eat it, but I've never eaten this meat before. We call it a wild meat. People in Trinidad, St. Vincent, Guyana, they eat the iguanas, but I am not a lover of wild meat. I just enjoy watching them, seeing them every morning, taking pictures and things like that. I enjoy that. So they're my little buddies. There are even babies around, a few babies. I've seen a few babies, and I just enjoy having them around. I don't intend to eat them. Would you? Do you eat iguana meat? Let me know in the comment section below. Alright, so this is the soil I'm going to use to set the other plant. It's a potting mix by Miracle Grow. When I go to my plant store, I'll just basically ask them what I could use. I'll tell them what I'm going to do, and they will suggest a soil I could use for my project, and that's it. And I have a pot here that I'm going to put the other plants in. So let's get down to getting this project done. Simple project. So the first thing I'm going to do, I am going to basically try and get out the whole plant out of the pot. So as you can see here, I'll just basically gently kind of shake the pot a bit, apply a little pressure so I could get that to loosen up the soil a bit, right? And you can see the soil is coming out. So I'm basically, like I said, loosen up the soil to get the plant out, right? This is my technique. All right, so when I've done that, now I'll be able to take out the whole plant from the pot, and then I'll just gently take off the soil as much as I can. And then I'll gently try, like I said before, there are two plants here, right? And I'll just gently prise them apart so I can get the two plants. As you can see here, I'm moving out all of the soil to expose the roots, and then I'll gently just prise the two plants apart. All right, there you go. So I have one plant here. This is one plant. I'm just basically cleaning off the roots as much as I can. Yeah, one plant here with some flowers. Another one here. This one also has flowers too as well. In case you don't know, if you have a plant and it has the flowers, you could cut off the flowers and you'll find that the plant will blossom more and you'll get more leaves. I learned that recently from one of my viewers. So I'm putting back some soil into this pot. I'm going to set one of the plants. As you can see here, I just put about 3/4 full into the pot. And then I just make like a hole in the center. And I'm going to put one of the plants in that hole. And I'll just simply cover the roots with the soil. I'm going to put some more soil to fill up the pot. And that's basically it for plant number 1. Alright, so plant number 2. So I'm using the soil that I showed you previously. So I'm going to put up some soil into the pot like I did before, about 3/4 full. And then I'm going to make like a hole in the center like I did before with the other plant. And just basically gently place the other plant into that hole. Alright, I covered the roots and just basically press the soil down a bit, and then I'm going to fill the pot with some more of that soil. In respect to the seeds that I showed you previously that are dried, you could always cut off, okay, like I mentioned before, you could cut off the flowers and you allow the plant to grow more, you'll get more leaves. Now when you cut off the flower, you could pick off the seeds. If they're still green, you could put them aside, let them dry, so you could plant and make more plants. Or you could, when they get dry, if they're dry while they're on the plant, then you could pick them off and put them in a pot with some soil and stuff to get it to grow. Alright, I hope that is clear. Yeah, so basically I'm done. I've fill up the pot with soil and it's all set. And yeah, I'm all done. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I put a new video. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. I enjoyed doing this project. Take care. Bye bye.